guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing gel infill nails. But before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to Sunshine. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos, and if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So here is the outgrown nail. As you can see, all of these nails have fallen off except from this one, hanging onto its dear side. Anyways, I'm just gonna start by filing off the gel polish because it's old and it's not really shiny anymore. So here it is. I couldn't get that gel polish off. But anyways, we're gonna make the mixture for this infill. So take a surface to mix on and take any gel polish. I'm using this color because it matched my original nail. And then I'm taking a dual brush with a brush on one end and a spatula on the other. And I'm gonna add a bit of gel polish to the surface. Next, I'm combining it with some flour. I'm just using regular plain flour, but it's basically like a DIY polygel. So here is the gel I made. As you can see, it's got a great consistency. But first, we need to apply a thin layer of base coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Next, pour some slip solution somewhere. You can use rubbing alcohol if you don't have this. And you're basically just gonna fill your nails as if it's polygel. Cure for 2 to 3 minutes and it should be pretty solid. Now I'm wiping it with the same slip solution to get rid of the stickiness, and then I'm gonna file and buff the nail. Finally, I'm going to apply one layer of the gel polish and top coat, and then doing a final cure for 60 seconds. And here it is. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Bye.